Good afternoon, scientists, or should I say geologists. This is Mrs. Geis, and today we're going to talk about applying geology. We know that geology is the study of rocks and the planet Earth and how it was formed. And today I'd like you to go ahead and open up your LearnEd notebook to page 16. We're going to do pages 16 and 17 together. You have learned about Earth's boundaries. What can you recall from the previous unit? How do boundaries affect Earth's changing surface? Let's take a closer look. Convergent boundaries occur when the mantle causes lithospheric plates to move together, creates mountains, island chains, and trenches. What does it mean to converge? Come together, collide, move toward each other, join together, etc. Here we have a diagram of two plates coming together. This plate is moving towards this plate. Somebody has to give. So this plate actually goes under this plate. It causes this plate to melt. And as you can see here, it is going to, this magma is coming through the Earth's surface in the form of a volcano. You have lava erupting at the top here. Subduction takes place at convergent boundaries. This occurs when one plate is forced below another plate, causing it to melt. And again, we have this plate coming towards this plate. This plate is moving underneath the other plate, and we have melting occurring here. Divergent boundaries occur when the mantle causes the lithosphere to move apart. We have this plate moving this way. We have this plate moving this way. Here you can see where the plates are moving apart. A ridge is forming. This one happens to be under the ocean, under the surface of the ocean. This creates ridges, new crust, or seafloor spreading. Seafloor spreading is when we have plates pushing away from each other, kind of like a conveyor belt. And again, this plate is moving in this direction, this plate is moving in this direction. What does it mean to diverge? Well, it means to move apart, separate, divide, split, break away, or spread apart. Again, this plate going this way, this plate going this way. Where they are separating, we have a ridge right here. And then it'll be forming a gap. Transform boundaries are another type of boundary we're going to talk about today. They occur when the mantle causes lithospheric plates to move past each other, creating faults. So here we have a fault line. This is where we have earthquakes that happen. This plate is moving this direction. This plate is moving this direction. Faults occur when plates slide past each other. What does it mean to transform? It means to change or move position. In plate tectonics, it refers to directional movement of plates. Back in 6th grade, you learned about Earth's layers, but how do they relate to the concepts learned in this unit, the Earth's history? Use the space now on page 17 to list at least 3 facts about each layer and how they may have impacted Earth's history. Go ahead and list core in the first green box, mantle in the second green box, and crust in the third green box, listing as many facts as you can, 3 or more, about each layer. And I know there's more layers than just 3, but for the sake of this exercise, we'll just consider the inner core and outer core as one, the core. This orange section would be the mantle, and then the top layer would be the crust. Go ahead and fill that out on page 17. And the next time, we will be doing an experiment using cookies to demonstrate how the Earth moves. Thank you, and I hope you have a great day.